So, we just gave a nice long intro on microeconomics for bioenergy. Now let's take a look at the example problem.
This one seems pretty straightforward.
What's the example? Just the spreadsheet?
Since the lesson notes were made from team provide an example, please consult on
You must just be talking about the spreadsheet. Okay, let's look at the homework. All right. Short rotation woody crop has a market price of $35 a ton. The first year capital costs are $600 per hectare of land, and expenses are $400 per hectare to fertilize the crop. Annual expenses in 2 through 6 are only $50 per hectare. The 7th year when the woody crop is harvested, expenses increase. The harvest yields 75 tons per hectare. Use a simplified cash flow analysis to determine whether this enterprise is profitable. Hint, a 10% discount rate is what we want to achieve to be profitable. If the IRR is greater or equal to 10%, the endeavor is profitable. Hint, assume a basis of 1 hectare of cropland, perform your analysis on the spreadsheet and submit. Determine an annual net income for each of the years 1 through 7. Remember that costs are negative value, complete IRR. Cool, can we just do that?
Let's do it.
Let's just bang it out, I love it. There's my warm and fuzzy.
You're warm and fuzzy.
Yeah.
I love spreadsheets. They're my favorite thing in the whole wide world.
Well, okay, so this is the Kerns example.
Is that in the resources or something?
The spreadsheet was on the, I'll show you.
Well, it's in the lesson notes. I saw that.
It's right, insert table, chart, data, equation, symbol, text box.
You always have to look for that one.
No. It's because the A is crooked. I can't read that crooked A.
It's in a weird spot. I will agree there. There it is.
Okay. So let's just grab this guy. Copy. Pasty. Okay, so first of all, we know we're going to run this out to 7 years, right? I like that all strangely stretched out. It's kind of weird, isn't it? Okay, 7th year. 7th year. Let's do this. Insert. 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Market price of $35 a ton. And it looks like it's going to stay at 35 a ton, right?
Right.
35.
How come I wouldn't paste it?
What are you trying to do, paste this text?
Yeah, that spreadsheet.
Just that?
All I have in Moodle is a picture of it.
Let me see.
Where is it?
Go up.
Is it here?
It's here.
Oh, then
Oh, baby, oh, baby, oh, goodness. All right, so let's just,
Keep up.
there we go, 35, all the way across. All the way across. Camp, 600 per hectare. I'll put this in dollars per hectare. And plant. So let's put a second row in here. Land purchase. Excuse me. Let's see, dollars, fertilizer 400. Okay. Harvesting. Dollars. That's the 7th year, so we have to put that out in year 7. Oh, which is the left side that's chopped off? Fix that. It really is, isn't it? Is that where? Okay, nice. Actually, let's not do this one. I don't think we want that there, because this is more labor. This is harvesting. So that's going to be 0, 0, 0. Well, you harvest in year 7.
Oh, right.
550. Harvest in year 7. Okay, so I've got my years. What's my tons per year? $35 a ton. $75 tons per hectare. This is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. I say 75? There's another cost. So we've got 35 a ton, 400 additional, 400 annual expenses in 2 through 6 or 50. There's no depreciation in this one, is there?
Didn't say anything.
Okay, no depreciation. Okay. No taxes. We're living in a libertarian society.
I wish.
No taxes down here in Texas. Texas, Texas. So for my first year, I've got a cumulative cash flow of negative 1,000. So I had to spend the 600 on the land and 400 on the fertilizing. Year one. So we'll just start from the top here. What we ended up doing, I dragged it all the way out to 7 years. So it just took Kerns' example. Went from year 7, went out to year 5, but I dragged that out to 7 years instead. There we go. Tons per year, nothing in the first 6. We do all of our harvesting, and this is tons per year per hectare. And then, so nothing, then 75, we do all the harvesting, 75 tons per hectare. The price per ton is the same, but we do all of our harvesting in that 7th year, and that's where our profit comes in. Over here, in the first year, there's no maintenance cost, so this is harvesting and trimming. Nothing in the first year, $50, $50, $50, $50, years 2 through 6. And then our harvesting costs are $550 in year 7. Total harvesting is $800. So we had no overhead or insurance. So the totals end up being pretty much the same that we just saw.
200.
Oh, you know?
That does not make it.
No, here we go.
There
Yeah,
you
good
go.
call.
Like, why did that not
I
make
didn't,
sense?
yeah, I didn't drag that one out there. There we go. Thank you. Cool. And then net income. Nothing the first year. You know, I'm spending 50, spending 50, spending 50, spending 50, spending 50. But then finally in year 7, when I do my harvest, that's my income minus my costs. So 2,075. This is net income per hectare. Capital investment, dollars per hectare. Land purchasing was 600. Planting and fertilizing was 400. Initially, it was a one-time cost. No depreciation was mentioned, so I just zeroed those out. Taxable income. Nothing in the first year. Oh. Why did that happen? Hang on. Taxable income, hang on. Oh. Let's just see what this is. Let's copy that over. Here's what we just need to say, income tax, I'm just going to say this is 0%, it's kind of trivial, but tax is not mentioned. So in this case, we've got times 0.3 times 0.0. Okay. Now we can take this over, drag it. No income tax, okay. Cash flow, that's the initial, those two guys in year 0. And then from there, the cash flow is the net income per hectare. This is cash flow per hectare. So it's the net income minus the income tax. Those go out to 50. Finally, in year 7, right, what's this? No tax. Okay, so the tax has no effect. That's reflected right there. We are not drawing that guy out. This is cash flow per hectare. It's all negative, and finally it's $2,000 in year 7, and that's our sum. Cumulative cash flow per hectare. there. It's initially negative 1,000. So in this case, remember, we were just adding up each. We're going sort of deeper into debt, but then finally, at this year, we make a profit. So it was that $1,000, 50, 50, 50, 50, 825. Now, what I did here, I did the same formula for the payout. I looked at the first year that it was positive. I used that same formula, so it was year 6. And it happened, well, just before the middle of the month, so 0.4 of the way through, so May of the 6th year, finally went positive. We made 1.8 times our expenditure.
Was that you?
Yeah, so fancy. So we made 1.8 times our money. So our initial investment was $1,000. We were losing money, finally we made it. So we made 1.8 times. And the IRR, I dragged that from year 0 all the way out to year 7. I use that same 0.1 as a guesstimator. The discount rate was 10. And here's my go, no-go logic. So if the IRR is greater than the discount rate, then yes. If not, then no. In this case, it's a no-go.
Don't do it.
No, you lose money. Just go put it in the bank instead.
Gary.
There he is, just in time.